Zimbabwe news: Mnangagwa cuts overseas trip short. Johannesburg, Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa has cut short his visit to Europe to return to his embattled country, it emerged on Sunday. In a message posted on his Twitter account on Sunday afternoon, Mnangagwa said, "In light of the economic situation, I will be returning home after a highly productive week of bilateral trade and investment meetings. We will be ably represented in Davos by Minister of Finance Mvula Ncube. The first priority is to get Zimbabwe calm, stable, and working again." Earlier on Sunday, the Democratic Alliance threatened to approach the International Criminal Court (ICC) to consider a preliminary investigation into human rights violations in Zimbabwe. The DA urged President Cyril Ramaphosa to reconsider his Quiet Diplomacy 2.0 on Zimbabwe and intervene directly to stop the ongoing human rights violations by President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government, DA spokesman Stephen Smatgalapa said in a statement. If Ramaphosa fails to intervene and advise Mnangagwa to stop the military clampdown on civilians, the DA will be left with no option but to approach the International Criminal Court (ICC) to consider a preliminary investigation into these violations as outlined in the Rome Statute.